Hello everyone, this is what I got today. This is my trip to Walmart today. This is what I found. Let's start off with these Matchbox. There was two little boxes on the pallet crate things, and so I opened them up and I finally I've wanted this one for a little while, and I never found it. I never found this one, the Devo, which there's two card arts, so I want both card arts and a loose one. I'll save this for last. I got this Ford GT model kit. I've never made a model kit, so I don't know what it'll be like. So I guess I can just try to open it up. Just use my fingernail. There you go. I've not looked in this. I've never done a model kit before, so this should be fun. Some chrome parts, some clear parts. It's already painted blue. Pretty cool. Tires, a lot more blue parts. Huh, that's cool. Is that broken? Is that a broken piece? Well, this should be fun. I think it's got stickers too. Yeah. Here's the sticker sheet. Right here. They're in there. And here are the instructions. I hope. I'll have to try to figure this out. But yeah, that should be fun. And then I got this little Corvette. I saw another YouTuber make a video on this set, and I wanted this Corvette, so I put it on my want list, and it showed up at Walmart today. So that was cool. There's a lot of new stuff out. Auto drivers. I'm pretty sure the hood looks like it opens, but it doesn't actually open. Let's see. I think I have... Yep, I have a screwdriver. So I can just open it up. Oh, that opened up really easily. Ooh, it's very nice. Yeah, looks very nice. Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that. Let's unscrew this from the base. There we go. And here we go. It's got this graphic on the side. Ugh, this lighting is awful. I'll just put it on here. We've got this graphic on the side. It'll focus. Please focus. Oh well. It's got this on the top. Ugh, this lighting is awful. It's got this on the top. This on the side. These wheels are very nice, the 5 spokes. It's got the same thing on the other side. It's got the rear details, very nice. And front details also, very clean details. Here's the base. Plastic base. I think these side things are extra pieces, and I do not think that the hood opens, but a very nice car. thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be about an ultra red. So yeah, bye.